and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing the Cloth and Paper June subscription box. This is their anniversary box. This box is probably the best one yet this year. So let's open this up. So inside of the box, we have a what's inside card that I will reference throughout the video. The first item in the box is the one that most people are excited about, and it is the matte black Ollie clip. So this is a sub box exclusive, and it is a sleek matte finish. So here is the Ollie clip. And it really is a nice, smooth, matte black clip. You have the C&P logo, the Ollie clip logo. Here, let me put it on this white background and then zoom. It is absolutely beautiful. This is probably my favorite Ollie clip. One, because it's black, but two, just because it's such a nice finish. Like, I can't get over how nice this looks. In comparison to the other Ollie clips, here are all of the current Cloth and Paper Ollie clips. And then here is how the matte black looks next to them. So it does look thicker, and that's just because the outer area is all matte and the outer area of the Ollie clip on here is clear. So here's that so y'all can see that. So it's not, it looks thicker, but it's the exact same size. And look at that line up there, just so pretty. Next up is the HP Mini Planner Bundle. So the card says, we wanted to celebrate our 6-year anniversary in a big way. This month, all subscribers have received everything you need to create your own HP Mini Planner. Sorry guys, let me zoom back out. I haven't recorded a video in a while. This bundle includes a set of clear plastic discs, an exclusive HP Mini gloss plastic notebook cover, and a pack of our new Duo Note inserts. So here are these items. So this is the HP Mini M notebook cover, the new HP Mini Duo Notes that has a graph and a blank side, and then the discs. The only items that come in the HP Mini size is the HP Mini Planner Bundle kit. So after that, we have 2 new dashboards. So these dashboards do come in your planner size. So these are the A5 size. So after that, we have inserts. So we have a July and August horizontal weekly inserts. After that, we have the half-page graph notes. So these are a new insert. And then again, it comes in the size of your box. And then that is the inserts that come in the box. So on the card, it says that we will continue to include our monthly set of dated horizontal weekly inserts in our upcoming boxes to help you finish the year strong. So similar to last year, how we got the vertical weekly inserts, I'm glad that we don't get the vertical weekly inserts again. I do wish we would get variety instead of continuing to get these, although I do use these. I just like getting the sub boxes because it helps me switch things up and try different things. If I keep getting the same thing, then I can't really try anything different, and I already know I like these. And that's just, again, a personal thing. But that is all of the inserts. And then my second favorite item in the box is Cloth and Paper's first set of drop stickers. So inside of here, there are 3 different sizes of drop stickers. So you get 5 different sheets. So the first one is the normal drop size, and then you have a medium size and then the large size. And then you have 2 sheets with the variety of different sizes. And so overall you get 114 small, 62 medium, and 27 large. So 1 full sheet of each, and then 2 full sheets with mixed sizes. So this is actually nice to have the mixed sizes because that makes it easier if you're planning on the go or you want to take these with you. You have an assortment of sizes that you can use. And then last items in the box are the journaling cards. So you get the August journaling cards, the Survive, and then the Moment card. And then that is everything in the box. Overall, I really love this box.